See? It's easy. It's easy, right? Just remember the sound. That's it. Hi guys, I'm Aron from Korea. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to read Korean. Hangul. Hangul is the name of Korean letters. It's actually really easy to read. Hangul is just a combination of consonants and vowels. So, just read phonetically. Read consonants and vowels. That's it. Okay, let's start. We have 14 consonants and 10 vowels. If you remember these consonants and vowels, you can read anything in Korean. First, I'm going to teach about consonants. G. This one has good sound, like G. G. N. And sound. D. D sound. L. L. M. M. B. B. S. S. It's no sound. It's normally a placeholder and doesn't have a sound. It follows other consonant and vowel. But only when used in the final position, it makes a sound. Ng, sound. For example, bang, bang. It is in the end, so it has sound. Did you get it? Okay, next. Z, z, t, t, k, k, t, t, p, p, h, h. Finish it about consonant. Next, vowels. A, ya, ya, o, yo, yo, o, yo, yo, u, you, e, e. That's it. Now you can read Korean. First, remember consonants and vowels. And just read. For example, BTS. We write BTS like this in Korean. Can you read that? It's easy. Okay, let's try to read together. First letter, 방. Because it has B-A-N-G. B plus A plus N-G. So, 방. Next one is 탄. T-A-N. T plus A plus N. 탄. Can you guess next one? So. S plus O. So. Next one. 년. N plus. 여 plus. N. So. 년. Last one. 단. D-A-N. D plus A plus N. 단. So, 방탄소년단. 방탄소년단. See? It's easy. It's easy, right? Just remember the sound. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more. Okay, thank you guys. See you later.